Hey everybody, I'm Ryan and welcome to 113 Cycles. Today we're going to be talking about the No Name Nationals in 2023 and drag racing our DRZ125. So let's get started. Well, being the great YouTuber that I am, I forgot to record the first two runs. The only video I have of the first run is from Nadertron's World. He was filming a short and was happy to send me that footage, so thank you, Nadertron's World. I really appreciate that. The first run and the second one, really, I pulled the front wheel off the ground really bad. I've got the times from the first run. I don't have the times from the second because I lost some of the slips. So, but we'll watch the first run. And we'll go right into the second, third, fourth, fifth run, and then I'll set you up for our last run that we did against Jeff from Two Hacks Garage. So enjoy, and I'll see you shortly.
Ooh, wheels up, launch, second gear wheelie. Third gear, we go into the crouch, we get aerodynamic. That's where it hurts. I can't bend like that.
This time lean frontward a little bit, you'll go fast.
I did. I actually took my hand off part of the way. I need to get my reaction better. That's the biggest deal. And now I know the camera's recording, so I know I got my audio going and everything too. So, third pass, maybe we'll get this one on camera. Good and warm, got hot tires. It's pretty warm out here. I'd say it's in the 80s for sure with decent humidity. Oh yeah, I love it. Grandma. I mean, the Cadillac's awesome, but you got everybody in there. Dang, that's love. Oh man, you got 6 in there? Heck yeah.
Here's the 113 Cycles entry. Ryan.
That wasn't good at all. And the first one I get on camera too. I've red lit 3 times now, so I think we're just gonna go back to wait till the light goes green. I thought I was gonna have to cut a good tree, but I don't think I want to try it again.
113 Cycle coming up here.
Alright, well, there's my 4th run. Oh yeah, good time here. 6:60.03 on a reaction, which I knew I wasn't trying to cut the light, but 13.1. I'm really surprised on that. Let me check the tire temp real quick. It's probably pretty warm. It's good and warm all the way around, but it's not hot. Yeah, it's definitely got some more heat in the rear, so that's good. But we'll check the pressure here in a little bit and try again. Thank you. Let's go this side. Damn it. Yeah. Run 1277 and 51 miles an hour. Had a crap reaction, but I knew that was going to be the case. So.
All right, now that the testing is done, let's get to the races. We had 2 scheduled. First one was against Roland from Torque Racing Production and his P-Shooter mini bike. Make sure to go to his channel and check that bike out. It's a really cool build. Unfortunately, P-Shooter broke. So we weren't able to race at all, but that's okay, because Jeff from Two Hacks Garage was our second race, and we got to race him. So I know this bike is faster than those 2 bikes are. However, they are very quick bikes, and you should definitely check out Two Hacks Garage and Torque Racing Productions to see the builds on their mini bikes, because they did some good work on there. So we planned on a 5-second head start. I would just count to 5. He would go when the light turned green, I'd count to 5, and then we'd go from there. That was the plan, as you'll see in the video. And big thanks to Jeff from Two Hacks Garage and to Roland for willing to race me on these, even though they are on much slower machines. So yeah, so enjoy this race.
You gonna try it? I'll make a fool of myself.
T-shirts.
Hey, we even got a burnout in.
For the first couple who will come up here in the tower holding hands. That's it. That's easy. For the first couple who will come up here holding hands, I've got a pair of Big Mike's Hoopty Guard shirts.
Waited too long, couldn't catch him down. That was a fast run for us though. That was the cleanest I've been all weekend. Of course, I don't have a light to worry about with it either. 12.6, best run of the weekend. Nice. I got beat. What was my actual reaction on that?
748.
Oh wow, I waited longer, didn't I?
I was gonna say, man, you should have blown by. Oh, they red lighted me on a 1.4.
Oh yeah, I won. See? Really? I didn't even see it. I was looking at mine. It's the fastest run I've done all weekend though. 12.6. So
that's
yeah,
fun.
heck yeah, man. I appreciate
Back again a little bit. I ran out of nitrous on that one.
Oh, did you really?
I sprayed. I felt it.
You were way ahead of me on that. I've.
Take it out and flip it over, watch. It'll come nice and come out of it.
This has actually been run back in and it's been stamped with her seal.
Take out the
That was fun.
Yes, it was.
Well, as you can see, we lost. I definitely counted way too slowly, and I just couldn't catch him. But hey, we had our best run of the weekend, clean run, good start, good miles per hour all the way to the finish, so no complaints. Thanks again, Jeff from Two Hacks and Roland from Torque Racing Productions, and again, Nadertron's World for supplying us with that footage. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.